Hello, Wildcat family and friends. This is Mrs. Lamb, your proud principal here at Windmill Point Elementary. I want to welcome you back to the upcoming 2020-2021 school year. I want to say how excited we are here at Windmill Point to have you coming back, some students here traditionally at school and others virtually through my school. We are so excited for this upcoming school year. I have a couple introductions and a little bit of information we want to share with you today. First, I'd like to take this moment to introduce to you our new assistant principal, Miss Brown. She comes to us with a lot of experience from other schools here in St. Lucie County. She may be new to us, but she's definitely not new to being an assistant principal. We want to give her a warm welcome to our family. Here on campus, we look forward to having that traditional setting. However, we will be keeping our students safe, happy, secure, and healthy. We look forward to providing great educational and academic experiences to all of our students while maintaining healthy protocols here on campus. At this time, I'm going to allow Miss Brown, our new assistant principal, to give you a tour of our school and let you see how some things will be set up here on campus.
Hi, I'm Miss Brown and I'm your assistant principal. I'm going to take you now on a virtual tour of our school. Here's Windmill Point Elementary. Hi, Wildcats. We're not only a Wildcat here at Windmill Point Elementary, we're also shining stars. You see the stars of our faculty and staff here in our corridor, which we call the Hall of Fame. This is one of our 5th grade classrooms already set up in our new safety protocol for this school year. This is an example of a 2nd grade classroom that is also set up using our safety guidelines for this coming school year. This is our cafeteria, also known as the Wildcat Cafe. The tables have been set up into our safety protocol for this year. Also, parents, please go to the school board website and fill out the application for a free and reduced lunch. Even if you don't think you'll qualify, we would like 100% participation. Music is an important resource here at Windmill Point. This is one of your resources that you will have the opportunity to participate. Art is another resource offered here at Windmill Point Elementary. All new safety procedures are in place so that your student will be able to enjoy art safely. Once protocol is allowed, we have this nice big field for the students to enjoy, have fun with recess and recreation. We also have a section of our playground for our younger students to come out with recess and enjoy each other's company.
Welcome to our office. You'll notice it's set up it's pretty much the same way. However, we will have some different safety protocols that are put in place to keep our staff and our students safe. This year, you'll notice that we have set up barriers. We also have additional hand sanitizing stations, and we are only allowing a very limited number of visitors on campus when it's absolutely necessary to maintain everybody's safety. We hope you enjoyed your tour and learned a little bit more about Windmill Point. Welcome to our Wildcat family. We welcome you back, and we look forward to meeting all of our students both here on campus and virtually in the upcoming school year.